Lost bait, wanna know why?
Bro, these is the mid mufflers. I'm putting you down. I'm putting you down.
No, they're called resonators. If you do a
Bruh.
work order, no. Listen to me. I just got.
Oh my fucking god!
It's a fine pump, yeah. You wanna raid me? Brand new everything, might take this bitch out safety. Might put them killers on their heads just like some baby. I know they plan, but I won't let that little shit fake me. Brand new coupe, I drive it like you stole it. Running on the daddy bitch too fast, I can't control it.
YouTube, what the hell going on? Trap.srtt back with another video. Right now, we on the way back to the goddamn muffler shop I went to. Cause bruh goddamn deleted my resonators. He didn't even delete my fucking mufflers. I was wondering why it was sounding like that. Cause I got a muffler delete on my last two cats. And the sound was completely different. So, and I pointed it out in the video yesterday, but I had edited out. I didn't put that in the video because I thought I was tripping. Like, I pointed it out in the video. I'm like, these are mufflers. This is what I'm finna goddamn take out. But I ain't even put that part in the video because I thought I was tripping the whole time. They tripping. So right now I'm on the way back to the shop to get my mufflers deleted, the actual mufflers, not the resonators. I want to see if I can get the resonators put back on though. But shit, we gonna tap in with y'all once we get back into the shop.
But you would have lost bait, wanna know why?
Bro, these is the mid mufflers. I'm putting you down. I'm putting you down.
No, they're called resonators. If you do a
Bruh.
work order, no. Listen to me. I just got off the phone with Dodge. No. I called Dodge, and I knew Dodge was gonna make me that. Let me tell you everything how it go on a work order for Hellcat. Listen to me. Listen. Cadillac converters.
Bro,
No.
that's
Listen.
not how it
Resonators.
goes. No,
Actuators.
these are the mid mufflers. I'm putting you down.
No, they don't call it.
I'm putting you down.
That's not what they call
you
it at
can Google
Dodge.
it. You can
No,
Google
that's
it.
not what they call it at Dodge.
Bro, I'm putting you down.
I just got on the phone with Dodge.
I uploaded the video on YouTube.
That's y'all video. Dodge. We talking about Dodge. On the
It's 50 niggas. It's 50 niggas saying y'all removed the resonators, not the mufflers. I'm putting you down. I done had 3 Hellcats before. I done got this done 3
So
times.
what y'all call it?
We cut these out. These are mid mufflers. I'm putting you down. And these are the resonators in the back. Yes.
They call it resonators.
Bro, I'm putting you down.
No, you're not putting you down.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Crank it up. Watch everybody then go back and say, oh shoot, I'm gonna go back and do what you just did. I want it all off. Why they gonna want it all off? We get niggas all the time saying, man, I'll cut all that off. They gonna want it all off once they hear it. Upload it after you goddamn do this. Watch this. Then they gonna build your dick then, goddamn. This is what we suggest. Other mother y'all don't suggest. I said, man, take all that off, man. I'll tell everybody pull up in the cat on SRT, man, take it all off, man. Real on it. Ain't gonna make the check in like come on.
Nah.
Then that's all most people worry about is the check in like I'm sorry. Now why when they hit it big and I get that mass gas, then they gonna be on your dick then. You don't know, okay. Yeah. I think I'm gonna take mine all off. Yeah, I know you are. How you doing?
So he was trying to tell me like in the back, those are the I don't fucking know what he talking about though, but he said car dies and they'll tell you that in the back, them are the mufflers. But I'm trying to tell him, I ain't never got that done. The muffler's always been in the middle. I done had 3 cats before. And the muffler's been in the middle, so shit. Right now got the muffler to leave down. Shit, you wanna see how it finna sound?
You always say, man, don't show nobody the video. Now I'm trying to let me tell you. I promise you don't know that. Oh, yeah. No, I'm here for a minute. Hey, but he about to fuck up when you get out of here.
Like that damn kid at the candy store.
Niggas are not supposed to hear you. Niggas are not supposed to hear at all.
Who hit the gas don't know how to hit the gas.
What?
No, when we hit the gas, yeah, you didn't know your car sound like that. 90% of niggas don't know how to make their car do that. I had he was in the last state. He said, come do what you did at the shop the other day, man. I said, come on, man. He said, I can't do it for some reason, but when you get in my car, you know how to do it. They said, man, why don't sound like that when you do it? He said, I don't know, man. I mean, you know, he is from size 13. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that's different, baby, but he's like, wait a minute. I promise you all the niggas gonna be on your dick now. They're like, what you do? What you did, Kimbo? I did what he told me to do. I told you that day, cut everything off on the Hellcat.
Oh my God. Nah, now they caught the right shit now, bro. This how it's supposed to sound, bro. I don't know what the hell they did before, but they did the damn resonators. He was trying to tell me that goddamn them is the mufflers in the back. I'm like, hell nah. I done had a cat 3 times, bro. I know what the mid mufflers is, bro. And in the video, I had edited the part out where I was goddamn pointing at the mufflers. I thought I was tripping. But now, goddamn, the mufflers is gone, so that bitch sound crazy. Not gonna lie to y'all. Oh my God. What the fuck? It's popping. That bitch popping out. What the fuck? Oh my God. Little tunnel action, man. What the fuck? Just got the Dream Motorsport, man. Time to get this Legmaker installed. The bit came in like 2 weeks ago. Just now, finally can get it installed now. Got the sticker. The bit finna be whining. Whining. Walk in here and see what they talking about. What's up? I'm supposed to be getting the Legmaker installed. Mucho told me come up here. That way? Alright. Look at that bitch. That bitch nasty. I got the real mufflers cut yesterday. They had cut the wrong shit. They had cut the resonators. That Rod Wave playing, man. I ain't heard Rod Wave new tape yet, bro. That bitch is a 10 out of 10. I don't care what nobody say. A lot of folks be saying it's too depressing. Y'all just don't understand it, nigga. And most of his songs is not really that depressing if you really listen to the tape. That bitch is a 10 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. up here, man. At Dreams, man. My folks up here, man. Trying to get rid of this big ass bunch. That stock ass intake. Look at that supercharger, man. Fast car. It big nasty. Right. Bruh. So I just got the Legmaker installed, bruh. Y'all gotta hear this bitch. Oh my god. Oh, I got it in 717. Y'all listen. Oh my god. Y'all don't hear that fucking one? It sounds crazy on the inside, bruh. Oh my god. What the fuck? Nah, that Legmaker intake is a must. If you got a Hellcat, bruh, get the Legmaker intake. All them other intakes ain't talking about nothing, bruh. This is the best intake. Your shit is gonna be whining, bruh. Oh my god. It been whining like fuck. Oh my god, bruh. Oh yeah, yeah, this is it. This is fucking it, boy. See, I couldn't really hear it in the garage that I was goddamn in when I was getting it installed, cause the exhaust shit is fucking too loud. I can't even hear the damn line inside the garage. But when you inside this damn car, like, whoa, it's so much of a fucking difference. Like, oh my god. Go to the beginning of the video and hear the whine, and then go to fucking now. Yeah, oh my god. This is him. Oh my god, bro. I am in love with this motherfucker right here, boy. This bit is different. This shit don't make no fucking sense. That stock ass intake. Why the fuck does the Jailbreaks come with a stock intake? Why the Jailbreaks don't come with a big ass fucking intake? I don't understand that. I understand it's not a red eye, but still, like, it's supposed to come with the red eye intakes at least. Like, what the hell, Dodge? I gotta get right. Oh, it's popping! Oh my god. That motherfucker sound crazy, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, the whine is 10 times louder, bro. No cap. Little tunnel action, man. First tunnel with the Legmaker. Oh my fucking god! Oh, what the fuck? Oh my God, bro. I just tore that tunnel up. That bitch started popping in some more shit, bro. Sheesh. Fuck, boy, this bitch is hell. This bitch is hell.
Lately been popping my shit, how I feel like the biggest. These niggas gotta be kidding. I put a switch on the back of the glitz. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in an inch. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in a second. I caught that boy lagging, he died with it weapon. I bought that cabin, you not really stepping. If I catch a op, I'ma send on the head.